So we're back from the auto shop. I took all these pieces in and I had them hot tanked. And it did a pretty good job on most of them. Not fantastic. This is probably the part that came out the best. It was just filthy nasty gross and it peeled the paint off of it. This was probably the second worst. The inside here was just caked with grease, grime, gunk. And it looks better, but still not fantastic. I don't know if it saved me any time. It was fairly cheap. I'm still gonna have to do some scrubbing, and we're gonna get some paint on some of those pieces. We're gonna hone this. We'll lap the valves. Also have some new parts. We got the gasket set. We've got the carburetor, we've got a ring set, and then we've got points, condenser, spark plug. I'll put a link to these parts in the description for this video just so you can see where I got them, what I paid for them. I think everything here you're looking at roughly 60 bucks. So really not too bad, I don't think, for what we're going to do. So we're going to start cleaning, painting, and assembling. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we're working on the engine here, and I've got these two engine cases, side covers. I'm gonna sand it a little bit and was gonna slap some paint on them, but they're a little dinged up, and normally I really wouldn't care. Paint will probably take care of a lot of that. This guy has this broken boss right there, and then this is all cracked. We got some little cracks and stuff on that side as well. We're gonna try just a little bit of repair on some of these dings, just to see if I can't make it look a little bit better. We're gonna use some JB Weld, and I'm gonna make a new piece here, mainly just for cosmetics. It won't be very strong, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to go about doing that, and we'll probably just to make this look a little better, we're just going to grind some of this off and maybe curve it out. So let's get going. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to fix this broken piece. I'm going to try drilling into these spots here just to see if I can't get either a piece of wire in the holes or the JB Quick Weld to go into it, make it just a little bit stronger. So I'm going to try center punching it, and that's just going to be awkward based on the shape. We're going to center punch it, I'm going to try and drill it, and then we'll see if I can get these wires in the holes, and we'll show you my trade secret with the frog tape. So all right, so you can see the wires I've got kind of matched, and they're pretty loose, but I've kind of matched them. I got to what I think the curve is going to be. I'm going to build it up a little more over on this side. And now for the trick. Okay, so hopefully those will sit there. Oh, no, they just fell out. So we'll put those in a second. We're going to get our tape, and we're going to make our form, basically. That's going to hold the JB Weld. So with that there, there's one, there's the other one. I'm going to put another piece of tape around this, and I'm going to make it big, because we can sand the JB Weld down to match the curve that we want pretty easily. We're also just we're gonna mix it up and fill the entire hole. Oh, where am I? All right, so you can see now how the tape, we're just going to fill that up with JB Weld, that hole up to the top of the hole there, and let it dry. So let's mix this up some JB Weld. It's got some cardboard or zip tie. All right, and if you just wipe off your zip tie, you can still use it. Makes pretty good stirring stick. So we let this dry overnight. Didn't need to, just had other things going on, but let's peel the tape off. See how it turned out. I only have one little air bubble. Looks like I might have a couple. Air bubble there, and that guy right there. So, it's really not too bad. We're gonna get the file out, clean that off a little bit, and see if we can't make it look right. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So we still need to drill it, and we want to make sure it goes nice and straight. So we'll take care of that in a minute. I think we're gonna mix up some Bondo and see what I can do about these. Looks like some kid was hammering on it all around here. And I don't know what was going on here. Probably the same. We'll see if we can fill these in a little bit. Some of these other little dings here. And put some paint on it. So you can see we've got a little bit of work to do still. Got a little more sanding to do, but that's kind of the point of the primer. It makes it really easy to see spots that need cleaned up. So we're gonna do some more sanding on that. This one looks pretty good. Came out really, it had a little crack right there, and you can't see it at all. And there's a little ding in it right there too. So this one, need to work on that tab still a little bit, but it came out pretty nice. Guess it's time to get the sandpaper out, get them cleaned up, and try our top coat. got the two side covers painted. I do think I am going to do a little more touch up on this one right here. And this one turned out really good. Probably should have done these. There's two little dings right there, but again, I'm not too worried about them. And I've got that little air bubble there still. So I think I'm actually gonna maybe just do a little more patching and do one more coat of paint on both of them before I call them done. But looking good, we're making progress. And next vid, maybe we'll explain the minor fire we had in the shop. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.